Hey everybody, it's Holly and welcome back to our channel. Now today I'm sharing another college must-have with you. Now Savannah has chosen a school in the South where it's blazing hot the first couple months of school, and she has decided to rush for a sorority. Now one of the must-haves, and this is actually one of my favorite things we bought for her so far, and it's one of the cheapest, is this mini fan. This is a must-have if you are rushing a sorority in the South, if you go to Disneyland and you're not even going to college, whatever it is, it's a mini fan. And there are tons of mini fans on Amazon and online, and you're like, which ones work? Which ones are good? This one I love, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. Now, first of all, it comes in different colors. It's this one, I got a pink one, so cute. I love it so much that I bought myself one. So it is a 3-in-1 mini fan. So when you're rushing a sorority, especially in the South, you are walking around for like 5 days in the heat, outside, house to house. You're starting to sweat. You're definitely going to want to cool down with something. So that's where this mini fan comes into play. Fits in a small bag, fits in a small purse. It has a little wrist thing so you can just keep it on your wrist, but it's a 3-in-1. First of all, it is, wait for it, a flashlight. So it's a flashlight, so when they're out at night, they can use the flashlight if the lights go out, whatever. It's also a charger, so you can, when their battery's going low on their cell phone, they have their cord, they can charge into it. This, it's a battery, so it's a cell phone battery. The last thing about this fan is the fact that it's a fan. So you're just gonna have to open it this way. What? I'd already pushed the button, so it was already on. And it opens like this, and it actually works surprisingly well. There's 2 different speeds, and you just push the button. That's on low. And you can hear it. It's a little bit, has a little bit of a noise, but nothing that's loud or obnoxious, but it actually cools you down. It is a great little mini fan. Obviously, this is not a full air conditioner, guys, but it's going to work perfect for just cooling you down, whether you're at college, you're in class, you're walking from class to class, you're rushing for sorority, whatever it is. Look at how great that is. Then you go ahead, turn it off. The fan blades go like this. You close it up. You can use it as your flashlight, your fan, or your charger. Super fun, super easy. I will link it down below in the description in case you want to pick up a fan. Like I said, it comes in different colors, not just pink. And that's it for today. Check out our other videos for other college must-haves that I am sending with my daughter for college. See you next time. Bye.